Okay, for the video today, I have a productivity hack for Salesforce. This one I've been using for a while now, and the reason I found this one is because I actually made a change in production when I wasn't supposed to. So I had a coworker of mine show me this one. But we're looking at our tabs up top here. So you notice how I have the little green Salesforce icon, yellow, and pink. The way that you can do that is you can go to Google. It's free. It's a Chrome extension, and grab this guy here, put it onto your Chrome, and then what you can do is you can click on the icon, hit options, and what that's going to do is it's going to bring us to a page that looks like this. So it will grab all of the environments that I've been to, and it puts a color associated with it. The best part about it, though, is you can move this slider to any color that you want it to be, hit save, and then refresh, and then that will put it up here on your browser for you. So that one's really easy for you to do. And the way I have mine set up is like green for production. Green means go. Yellow doesn't mean to quite go yet. And then pink I have as just my test so that I know for myself that it has nothing to do with any of the tabs that I have up there. So you can set this to whatever one you want, but it's really nice is just to kind of visually look at it and know exactly where you're at all times so that you don't make the same mistake that I did.